Let's go ahead and take a look at the Blog Planner module. To access, simply open your canvas, find the campaign apps, click, find the module, drag and drop, and click View. The Blog Planner allows us to write, plan, organize, and even live edit our blog posts in real time in one place so that you and your team can collaborate over them, as well as create links for the analytics and split testing tools. To begin, we're going to title our blog planner at the top left so we can reference it from the main canvas. On the top right, we're going to enter our blog's tagline so that we can provide context for ourselves and our team and our client. So let's go ahead and give the blog a name. So for our purposes, for the demo, we're simply going to say our blog is the best blog.com, and you can name it whatever you want. For the tagline, we're just going to say best blog ever. Now we can start working on the post. Automatically, MarketPlan will populate a blog post for you. However, at any point in time, you can always add a new post by simply clicking on the New Post button. Because we don't need that right now, we're going to delete this and work on this one. So let's give it a name. So let's call this How to Create a Post. And we're going to come over here and see these 4 buttons. The Live button is used to differentiate between which blog posts are public on your site or not. So when you click on it, you're going to see the color change. So now your team knows and you guys can collaborate together. The Links button, this will hold all your links that you create for this particular blog post. These links are used in the analytics and split testing tools. So here, to create a new link, we would simply click New Link. We're going to give it a title. So we're just going to say Post Link. Now, what we want to do is we want to fill in the URL that the link in the post points to, and it can include any applicable UTM parameters if needed. So for our purposes, we're just going to make one up. Go somewhere.com, and you can fill out all the other pertinent information if you need to. Simply click Create. Now you're going to see a brand new link populated by marketplan.io. You can copy this by simply clicking on the copy link, and this is generated so you can place it on your blog for tracking and split testing. Once done, simply click Done. Now, let's go to the Write section. Simply click on the Write button. And this is going to open up a blank, distraction-free text editor ready to write the greatest blog you have ever written. Over here up at the top, you can edit your post title, enter your focus keywords for the blog as a reminder as you're writing. The editor is capable of holding images and other rich HTML content to get your blog post as ready as possible for you to bring over. So let's go ahead and go back to the canvas. Let's see what the edit button does. Now, the edit button, here we can view and edit our blog post. So if you're using a front-end blog editor, all within this element, this is where we're going to do this. This works just like a page element. You would simply include your live page's URL and your post editor's URL in the 2 fields at the bottom. If you're using a blog manager that periodically needs authentication, you can provide your login URL for the post editor as a quick reference over here on the login section. In addition to this, we can see our notes, which would be the Write section, by simply clicking the Notes button. Click on Done once you've edited everything, and we're going to tie everything together by assigning checklist items and creating comments for ourselves in the team and for the teammates to collaborate together and get the blog post ready to launch. So for example, let's put a checklist item of check the blog, proofread. Here you can assign it to someone, you can mark it as done, you can leave a comment. Worked all day on this. That's it. To log out of this, you'd simply click done, and you're back to the canvas. And that's it.